All aboard the hype train. Choo choo! What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review. This is for the Adidas ZX500RM times TFL. Yes, finally I have my pair. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know that I work for TFL, obviously. And once I knew these kicks were coming out, I had to get a pair. I was upset that I wasn't consulted on the development of these kicks. It would have been nice to be involved, being the big sneakerhead, working for the company, but hey, who knows about me. But yeah, 3 pairs of sneakers came out. It was called the Oyster Club Pack, I think it was called. There was the Temperon, which was sort of based on the Oyster Card, Mind the Gap and all that. There was the Continental 80, which was based on the Metropolitan line. Then we have this pair, the ZX500RM, and I'll tell you all the details about that. So yeah, it comes in this pretty dope box, black box. It's got Adidas and the TFL logo here. Then it's got all these little old posters on the side of the box here, basically to represent the disused stations on the underground, and the whole thing with the Transport Museum in Covent Garden, where they do tours. You can actually go on tours now of the old disused stations, and these are some of the old posters that you'll see there sitting around the stations. There's even more hits of it on the shoes as well, so let's get to the shoes. And boom, here is the sneaker in all its glory, the Adidas ZX500RM. This is a sneaker model that since I first saw it, I really wanted a pair. There was like a black, no, it was grey, dark grey, with a little bit of a pink hit that I saw in stores, and I tried them on and I thought these are actually kind of fire, but I know they're gonna drop in price at some point, so I was waiting. Just as they dropped to a point where it was like, that's not a bad price, these got announced as coming out, so I was like, okay, I'm holding off. I have to get a pair of these. And how I got a pair of these was I went for a raffle on Offspring on the Instagram, posted a dope photo which I might post here if I can, and I posted it before originally for the Continental 80s. No, it wasn't that photo, it was a different, I posted something different for the Continental 80s. I thought I'd have a good chance of that, but I took an L, and then when I came up again for these ones, it was even better. I took a better picture and I ended up winning these, so I was super gassed, so shout out to Offspring for that one. And yeah, 500 pairs made only of these, and I believe it's 500 pairs of the other 2 models as well. So pretty limited, I must say, but just a dope concept with the whole theme of everything. But enough waffling on about that, I'll show you the shoe. Yeah, so this shoe, the ZX500RM, sitting on a big chunk of black boost. For some reason, black boost just always bangs and looks cool, so shout out for them for using that. Material wise, there's about 2 or 3 different materials going on with this shoe. On the sort of toe cap area here, it is done in this lovely nubuck, very nice and plush feeling, especially for the price point, £80 for this shoe. Absolutely crazy, I must say. But yeah, it sits with this lovely nubuck. On the toe box here, it's done in this ballistic mesh, which has got some little give to it, which is nice, because sometimes with their Adidas shoes and the toe box being so slanted down, it can be a bit uncomfortable. So hopefully with it being so movable and pliable, it will be a little bit more comfortable for me. More of that nubuck going along the side of the shoe, and then you've got the 3 stripes here. They look like they could possibly be 3M, but I don't think they're going to be. That would be too good to be true. Behind this 3 stripes is more of that ballistic mesh. Nice little touch that you get towards the back of the shoe is this stitching. It's done in this sort of red coral kind of colorway, and it goes along with that lovely nubuck suede at the back. Then we hit another material, which is on the back heel here, which is this lovely premium black leather, which is all on the inside as well, so super comfortable when on feet, I'm sure. And obviously a little hit that you get with all the ZX500s is this purple hit here, this sort of like plastic counter, another of this coral one going around here. Kind of gives you some sort of NMD-ish vibes, but not exactly. You also get this other coral hit here towards the front. The sole of the shoe is the money, which is the super fire. You can see a little bit here on the toe that is an icy toe, and there's something going on, and boom. Bottom of the shoe is got more of those hidden signs and hidden posters and stuff that you find at those disused stations, and a big chunk of white boost underneath to show you that it's actually painted. It would be nice if boost was actually black, but it's always white. On the tongue on this pair, it just says Adidas with the TFL logo, and inside the shoe, oh, it's got the number of this shoe. So there's 500 made, And this one here is number 294. And it's got the Adidas and TFL logo inside there as well. On the other shoe, on the tongue, it says Hidden London with the TFL logo for the whole Hidden London thing. And you also get a custom leather wallet, which is super dope, which my brother will not be getting because while this shoe comes with a free Oyster card, which has £80 on it, which is absolutely insane. You're basically getting the shoe for free, like it's crazy. £80 for the shoe, £8 on the Oyster card, madness. But I get free travel, so I don't need it. But my brother will be getting the card, but I'm keeping the wallet because the wallet's fire. I can't bless him that much. But yeah, you get this custom wallet which has Adidas and the logo on it again. And inside the shoe, same again, nothing different. Lace wise, it just comes with some black flat laces. I'll probably keep it calm like that, but if it did have some coral or maybe the purple, it would stick out crazy and bang, but it will do for now. Anywho, gonna chuck these on feet, show you what they're like. Let go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Adidas ZX 500 RM X TFL on feet. What did you think? They're fire, super comfortable, and I'm delighted to say that they actually fit me. I'm always worried about that. I did try on pairs before I put them for my size to make sure that they would fit, and these fit even better than I remember them fitting. I remember them, I tried on an 11 and a 10.5, or maybe it was a 10 and 10.5, I don't know which one it was. But I was like, yeah, definitely the 10.5, and I'm glad to say 10.5 fits me perfectly. My toe is right where it should be, and like most shoes, I think I've said it before, I think my big toe is bigger than most people's big toe, oddly. My big toe is where it should be, and on this side here, I've got a little bit of a gap, which I always seem to have just because how my feet are, but totally fine. So sizing wise, if you're gonna buy these on resale market, I guess, because they're limited and they're done now, check out the standard pair in the store and it fits exactly the same as them, so don't fret with that. I went true to size basically for what I wear in Adidas Boost sneakers, which is generally half a size up from anything else. Anywho, hopefully you enjoyed the review. I'm super gassed to have these. When I wear them at work, I don't know if anyone's even going to notice that they're TFL. They might see it on the tongue and be like, what's that? But hopefully people do notice because I want to be stunting on these people. That's the whole point. But anywho, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Ashbash Sneakers, dope pictures always, and my Twitter is Perfection7. I'm out. Later, yo.